Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Commerce Pro. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 150 PS. Accompanying this is a smooth automatic transmission as well as Volkswagen's 4Motion 4-wheel drive technology. Finished here in the lovely stone grey colour, this example features LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights as well as a set of front parking sensors. Across all four wheels we'll find the 19-inch Indianapolis style alloy wheels coming in a silver and black colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a tailgate with a heated rear window, and further helping you park and manoeuvre, this transporter features a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, it comes in a factory fresh condition. This example features the twin sliding door option, and without the bulkhead, it makes the perfect blank canvas for a camper conversion. Up front in the driver's cab area we'll find two singular seats, both with two armrests each. The seats are finished in a lovely leatherette upholstery and feature a heated function. In the centre of the dash we'll also find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows you to connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find some charging points as well as a drinks holder, and for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel which is paired with a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Commerce Pro. Thank you for watching and goodbye.